Following the recent election of the Students' Association President in the Advanced School of Mass Communication, members of the Renaissance Opposition Party have been appointed by the newly elected President Lilian NKADA. Despite their political differences, Oriane Fouda, leader of this opposition party, alongside other members, have accepted this nomination and decided to work hand in glove with ASEC.
I believe that once the campaign is over and the elections are carried out and a winner emerges, we are no longer in a opposition issue, neither are we in a ruling party issue, but rather in a collaboration.
All in all, it should be noted that this gesture portrays the students' determination and commitment to promote unity and mutual assistance in a bid to keep the ASMAC flag high.
4, 3